Welcome to this video. I will be explaining how to use this CBA100, the Cloud Biometric Attendance System. First, you just need to plug in the power from this power jack and wait about 30 to 40 seconds max for this to boot up. So once this boot up, it will take about, let's wait for it to boot up. You can fast forward or jump to the other section. Okay, once this one boot up, it took about 30 seconds to 40 seconds. Okay, in this screen, this is we call it manual mode. Manual mode, you need to manually key in, select your check-in or check-out. Okay, there's a two mode. Another mode is auto. You don't need to press in or press out. But this one you need to set by the administrator. For this case, is a manual mode. You press select in, then you scan your finger. Then it will record and show your ID. So let me explain about the menu. We have tools. We have a main menu here for administrator and the shutdown. You need to have a proper shutdown if you want to shut down this machine. As you can see, this is connected to cloud. Once you connect to cloud, you can see that this is a blue LED will be blink. Else, if disconnected, it will show red. Okay, let's go for tools. Tools, when you press tools, there's a few options. They will send code for you to send the custom code to the server. Your device status, chat record, and the supervisor screen. Okay, this is a return. Let's go for the send code. The send code, you can manually send any custom code to the server. Once you set, you press OK. Then it will be a green light, which means it will store inside the database, local database. Okay, and once it's connected, you will send the code to the cloud server. Okay, let's go to here. This is the device status. You can have all the information about this device, including the serial numbers, the device ID, the device version, and how many finger storage. Again, you can store up to 1000. Now the IP address is 192.168.1.97. It will be useful later you want to connect to this machine to do some network configuration. Okay, this is temperature, and this is the total record. Bottom here is the total records. It shows that haven't backup to the cloud server. F means finger transaction, which is currently 0, means it's already all backup to the cloud server. Send code is already means the send code already backup. So this is, it doesn't have any send code left in the local database. Okay. By the way, when the screen is about 1 minute plus idle, it will come back to the main screen. Okay, let's go in again. Device status. Okay, close. Check record means if you, in case you forget you can't remember whether you have already scanned your finger, then you can use this one, check screen, to check the latest 10 record. It will show that this is the previous record you have been scan your finger, and this record will be cleaned up after 1 day. Okay, if online, then it will be cleaned up. Then the supervisors, the default is 0. You can change it later. When you press 0, supervisor, then the supervisor is allowed to add user, delete user, and also change the supervisor password. Add user, let's go to this screen. Add user is a maximum 7 digit and a 1 finger index digit. So let's say your user ID is 9000. Then you need to input one, let's say your finger is finger 0. This is finger 0, you just press 0. Or this is finger 1, finger 3. Okay, let's say you want to have scan 0, 1, 2. This is the middle finger is a 2, so you just press 2. So the digit user ID is 9000, the finger index is 2, so you press OK. Then the system will ask you to enroll your finger. Press scan, we'll leave it. Then if you put a second finger or different finger, you will put a red LED blinks, means it's a fail, so you need to try again. This happens sometimes if the fingers is not clean. Then you would input again 2. Okay, so now the 9000 is your user ID, 2 is your finger index. Okay, we try again. Scan, press a bit harder, leave it, then scan again, successful. Then you will return. We select this one, then you scan again, it will show 9000. It won't show 9002 because 2 is your finger index number, so it will not show, it will show 9000. So you can have 10 finger max for each user ID. So if you want to change the supervisor, this one default is 0, default, you can change it. Let's say I don't want 0, you want to change it, you can change it, but you still need to input the supervisor or admin. So both supervisor or admin also can change the supervisor password. So for default is 0. Okay, so you can input a new one. You press maybe 9. Okay, press again to confirm. Okay, password is safe. Go out. When you want to come in again, you will have to key in the new password. We try with the old password 0. Let's say wrong password, so we try again 9. Press again, you'll go in. Okay, let's change back to the old one, old password. Okay, so we check again. This is the old password, which means you can enter. Delete user means you can delete user. Like just now we have already keyed in 9000. You just set to key in 9000 to delete the user. Okay, the 9000 you no need to key in 9002 because any 9000 means you delete every finger related to this 9000 UID, the user ID 9000, you will all deleted. Once you press OK, it will delete. Then you press close. Then we try again. Let's say I check out. If we're using this, it will not recognize. Okay, press again, try again. It will not recognize. Okay, so for main menu, it's a input for the admin password. You can put double eight. Okay, this is a default admin password. You can change it after you go in. Okay, this is the administrator menu. So you can have add user, delete user, same like supervisor. You can change the admin password, or you can change the supervisor. At the same time, you also can set up the device ID. Let's say the device you want to change to let's say 99999. Okay, the max is 7 digit. You can go. Okay, so successfully update. So at the same time, you also can use the USB drive to backup. Let's say you want to backup your transaction data. Okay, from here you just key in here, and you just insert the USB. In case you cannot insert directly, try to slant a bit, then you press in. Okay, once you press in, it will detect, wait for a while, then you try to back up. I say file copy, please unpack. You already copied a file, the transaction, all the transaction which is haven't backed up to the cloud server into the USB pen drive. Okay, then you can return, you can plug out and then return. Then plug out. Okay, then of course we have a factory reset. Once you press factory reset, it will ask you to delete or confirm. Press again. Are you sure? Because once you press this one, it will all delete all the information, transaction ID, all the user fingerprint template, everything will be deleted. Okay, so we just skip this one. Then change password, admin password. Once you put in, you need to input the admin before you can change your password. Okay, now just now we have already set the 999 for the device ID. Let's check. See, this is just now that we check. We have already set the device ID as a 9999999. Okay. Okay. Then when you want to shut down, you just press shutdown. For proper shutdown, you need to shut down properly. You just press shutdown and then click shutdown. This is to cancel, or you want to restart. Shutdown means you need to shut down. Once you shut down, you need to wait for let's say about 10 seconds before you can unplug the power or power off the power adapter. You need to wait about 10 seconds. Okay, thank you.